All right, we have 200 feet of the Boffman high octane, and we're running it in our French drain system. We got a branch off the main, so we're grabbing up water that was getting in that basement window. Now remember, contractors and homeowners, DIYers, the bigger the stone, the less you have to buy. So when you price stone out and you say, oh, okay, that larger stone is more money, because it is, but I'm telling you, as a guy that's putting this stuff in the ground every day, I could buy a train of this stone and do more yard drains with it than I can if it's like only a ½ inch or 3/4. And I'm giving the homeowner a better drain because the water is going to flow through these big cobblestones. Round rock, big round rock leaves giant voids for water to move through. So you're giving yourself a better drain using the larger stone. Yes, the larger stone is more money, but you use less of it. It fills the trench quicker. It has more void than the smaller stone. More void means you're moving more water. All right, guys, until the next video.